How to turn off Share Contact on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, CarPlay, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on AirDrop. AirDrop lets you share instantly with people nearby. You can be discoverable in AirDrop to receive from everyone or only people in your contacts. Over here, go to the Start Sharing By section and turn off the Bringing Devices Together option. This option easily swaps numbers with NameDrop, share photos, and more by holding the top of your iPhone close to another iPhone. You have now successfully turned off this option. Following these steps, you can easily turn off Share Contact on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.